friends, welcome once to Zahid's Tech. Today we'll discuss a important topic for our developer friends. Which server is best, basically local server, to use our projects in our computer. In this tutorial, we should cover two topmost local servers, that is Wamp and Xampp. First part we will cover how to install both the systems in our computer. Then we should see how to log into their phpMyAdmins, and at last we should give a short review which is best among the two. The video might be a bit longer, so stay tuned on it. So let's begin our tutorial. Hello friends, so let's download the latest version of Wamp server and install in our system. For this purpose, I am using the latest version of Wamp 3.3.7 and I am using Windows 11 64-bit operating system. So guys, you can download the file as per your system requirements. As I have already downloaded, this is the latest 3.3.7. So let's install it and log into phpMyAdmin. This is the link that I will provide in the description. From here you can download the file. And one more thing, for the local server to run, we also need a text editor. And for this purpose, I will download and install Notepad++ version 8.8.4. And this link is also I will give in the description. So let's install Wamp to our system and check its features. There is one more thing, that by default it will try to install in C drive, but I will recommend that you should install it in any other drive, but not in C drive. So let's create a drive, a folder in basically D drive in my system. Let's name it Wamp server, and all the files of the software now will install in this folder. So let's search for the folder. It's in D drive. This is the folder Wamp server. Okay. So let's next. Yes. The installation is started. It will take some time, so I am pausing the video. After installation, I will resume it. So guys, during installation, it will ask you for your browser. In my system, I will use Chrome as a default browser to use Wamp server. So let's select Chrome. Search for Google. Chrome. I go to applications and select this one. Edit. Now it will ask for text editor that I have already given the link. It's Notepad. So let's select it also. It is on our program files. Let's search program file. Not that, yes, save this one. Okay. So our installation is completed. Yes, our installation is completed. Let's check it. Yes, right. So start and check the my phpMyAdmin section. Yes, you see that it's Wamp 64. All services are ready. You can check the taskbar. Its icon will be ready. You will see all services are running. So let's log into our local host. Local host. Yes. Click phpMyAdmin. Okay, the default login credentials for phpMyAdmin in Wamp server is username root and password will be, there will be no password. Just click login. This is our phpMyAdmin. From here you can create all the databases. So we are using PHP version 8.3.14. This is one of the latest version. And at last I will say the main feature of Wamp server. Why we should use Wamp server? So our next part is we will also install Xampp server and see its phpMyAdmin. So friends, now let's install Xampp server to our system. As the process is a little bit same, we have to download the software from SourceForge. That the link I will provide in the description. And after opening, you will get all the versions from 8.2 to 7.4. As per your system requirement, you should download the file. And for this tutorial, I have already downloaded the software. This is the latest version 8.2.12. So let's install it and log into phpMyAdmin. The process, as we have already discussed, how to install in another drive, not in C drive. So we will again create a folder uh, in D drive. This is the D drive of my system. So let's give it a name of Xampp 8.2. 8.2. Okay. So select the folder. It's D drive. This is the folder Xampp 8.2, and in this folder all the software files will be installed. So we have selected Xampp 8.2. Next. The installation started. So it will take some time. Guys, I I will pause, and after completing, I will resume the video. So the installation is now going to complete. Okay. So our Xampp is successfully installed. Let log into its control panel. Okay, you see here Xampp control panel version 3.3.0. We have to first start the Apache server. Yes, allow it. Then we have to start our MySQL server. Okay. Both are started. Let's log into phpMyAdmin. Localhost. Yes, this is my. You can see there. Xampp Apache Windows version 8.2. Let's log into phpMyAdmin. Just log tools control panel options run as administrator. So now start it. Start MySQL allowed. Uh, now login to localhost admin. Yes, guys, you always run in give it an administrator access so that the error does not occur. So guys, we are in the phpMyAdmin of Xampp folder, exam software, and this is the version 8.2. We can create our databases, but in Xampp, one major setback is that for each PHP version, you have to install each software. Means that for if your scripts are running on 8.2, then you have to install 8.2. If your scripts are running on uh, 7.4, then you have to install this software 7.4. If your scripts are running on 8.1, then you have to install 8.1. Means for each version of PHP, you have to install individually. That we installed 8.2, like that you have to install all other softwares. This is one of the major setback of Xampp server. And the plus point for Wamp that I will say. Uh, so guys, the major plus point for Wamp server that I should recommend to my friends who are in this sector must use Wamp server better than Xampp server, because in this Wamp server, in one panel you get all the PHP version. Means that if you want to change the version from 8.3 to 8.2 or 7.4 or 8.4. You can do in this panel. For that, you don't have to install individually all the version softwares. This is one of the major plus point of Xampp server. And one more thing is that the software auto update the PHP version, means that now the latest version is 8.4, and whenever the 8.5 or 8.6 will release, it will auto update in the panel. So we have already seen the phpMyAdmin of 8.3. Let's check the phpMyAdmin of 7.4. It will update the settings and we will log in and check 7.4. So let's log into localhost phpMyAdmin, delete the password. Yes. Now see PHP version 7.4. And if we have to use the Xampp software, then we have to individually we have to install this 7.4. Means uh, we have to install this 7.4 in Xampp. But in Wamp, it is pre-installed, so we know it is totally hassle-free. I think it makes our work much easier. That's all, guys. This is a tutorial of both the servers. If you like my tutorial, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, like the video, and see you in next tutorial very soon. Take care. Thank you.